So.
I think that one was a big hit.
Cool. Yay.
Apparently.
Yay. Yay.
You liked all your stuff, huh, Alice? Except your clothes. It's like, once she realized there were clothes and toys.
Yeah. Clothes were okay until
it was all over. Yeah.
The toys were discovered.
How much time is there?
23 minutes.
That's probably good.
Remaining.
This
It'll
will take you now, Alice.
Take 40 minutes to download.
Okay.
I bet we can wear this one here for Talis.
Ah,
Actually, she
very
might wear these
nice.
when she's
That's true.
maybe.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Are you squeezing it?
Boxes. We just need to get boxes. I guess those webcams have that online. I don't know. I haven't been saving. So. We got a couple.
Grapes.
You figure by the time she could do it, it'll be old.
Yeah, you see the vegetables?
There.
Yeah, you see them in there?
What's he doing?
Okay, Uncle Kevin's gonna make me stop now.
Say bye.
Aww, Merry Christmas 2009.